Hi everybody, Becky here from Disney in Your Day, and today I'm excited to share another mystery box unboxing from a new place that I've discovered. This one's pretty unique as well, so I'm excited about it. It's from a place, it's cufflinks.com, so they sell cufflinks, but also ties and other men's apparel, and they have a whole Disney line, which is super neat because I feel like as women we get all sorts of cool Disney dresses and jewelry and all that sort of stuff, but the selections are a little more limited for men and they have a lot of choices. So especially if we get dressed up for like a signature meal or something like that, now I have options. So they have a bunch of things you can order right on their website, but they also have a mystery box, and this one was $50, and it is a bunch of obviously mystery items, but the value is going to be higher than $50. So it may not be their newest items, but you're gonna get great value for your money. Obviously, I haven't opened it yet, so we will see what is inside. Okay. All right. So taking a, ooh, this is beautiful. So this is a tie. I'm gonna take it out of the plastic so you can hear it. That's why I'm taking it out of the plastic so you don't hear it. I'm going to take it out of the plastic so you can see it better. But this is a very pretty tie. It is inspired by the Nutcracker and the Four Realms. So it's a Christmas tie, which is perfect because it's not too much longer till Christmas, right? And I really like this. This is gorgeous. And I love this like red maroon color. So that's great. Got some pins. Got a pirate inspired pin there. There we go. That's neat. And there's another one here. Let's see. Oh, awesome. It's an Aladdin pin that's like the Cave of Wonders. That's super cool. There you go. Neat. They have a really cool looking Aladdin line that I saw on their website. So that's nifty. We've got another tie here. Oh, this one is so cute. Okay, I'll try to show you it up close. So it looks like we've got a Toy Story tie. Yep, there's Buzz Lightyear and Woody. Look at the details. There we go. You can see Buzz up in the green. And really neat. And one of the things I love is that it's definitely Disney when you look at it, but it's also more subtle. Jason is not the type of person that loves to wear very obviously commercial things. He'd prefer like a more subtle nod. So this is perfect for that. They packed a lot into this tiny box, so this is pretty exciting. And their ties they're very nice quality, like when you feel them. So I'll post the value, but you can definitely tell you're getting a lot for your money. Another thing they sell is pocket squares. So this one is awesome. This one's a little more obviously Disney, but if you're the villain type, we've got Jafar. Love the colors and style of that. That is super neat. Whew. We've got two bow ties in here. So to go with the Jafar pocket square I just showed you, there is a Jafar bow tie. I don't know if you can see, there we go. It just says Jafar in very subtle silver script. And we've got one more bow tie in here that I think a lot of people are going to love because I know there's a lot of Genie fans. Jason is a big fan of Aladdin. It's one of his favorites. And this bow tie is amazing. Genie inspired bow tie. You can see that it's like the silhouette of the genie, so you can definitely tell, like Disney fans will instantly know. But it's not like the very cartoonish appearance of him. So let's see. And there's one more thing in here in this beautiful box. So if you were thinking about using them for gifts or anything like that, this is really nice. So you see the inside of the box is very beautiful. So you can see those clearly. Pirates of the Caribbean. I don't know it as well as I should probably, but on the back of the cufflinks, you can see the skull and crossbones. So again, so subtle that people may not know, but especially if you've got fans. And I think these are really cool, like for anybody. Like you wouldn't even have to be a Disney fan. So I am impressed. There has to be like $200 worth of stuff in this box. So if you just want some fun Disney items for yourself, if you're looking for a gift for somebody who likes Disney that also enjoys wearing ties and getting dressed up occasionally, I personally think these could be some great options for if you go to the theme parks and you do any signature meals. Maybe you're going for a special occasion, an anniversary, a honeymoon. This would be anybody you know that might be honeymooning in Disney. Like these would make awesome honeymoon gifts, or just honestly for any occasion in real life that you get dressed up for. Because like I said, it's really cool that they're subtle, so no one's gonna be like, oh, what is that? It's clearly like giant Mickey heads everywhere. But it still kind of like shows your passion for Disney in a very classy way, I feel like. And the packaging is beautiful. Everything's really nice. Great gifts. The holiday one is beautiful if you go to holiday parties. So I think it's really cool. Oh, and cruises would be another good time if you're one of those people like myself who loves getting dressed up and you want to get dressed up for formal nights on the ship. This is a perfect way that you can do that on like the Disney cruises and stuff like that. So I am super excited to share some of these things with Jason and possibly other people in my life who want to get a little fancy and also enjoy Disney. And I'm looking forward to seeing what else they come up with and what other future lines they have related to Disney. So head to their website, cufflinks.com. You can also head to my blog, disneyinyourday.com. I'm going to have a post up both about the mystery box review as well as a general overview of a lot of their Disney stuff. So make sure you check it out. And thank you for joining me. Again, I'm Becky from Disney in Your Day, and have a magical day.